Today I'll show you how to share your online booking link with clients and how to use the public booking page. It's a simple tool that lets your clients choose a date, time, and service without calling or messaging you. You can share it anywhere on your website, social media pages, or send it directly to clients. This feature is great for any appointment-based businesses, beauty salons, dental or medical clinics, auto repair shops, car washes, service centers, and more. Go to Settings Public page. In the page URL field, you can edit the subdomain to create a custom, recognizable web address. You can also copy the link from here to share on your website, social media, or directly with clients. Check the Show Logo box if you want your company logo displayed on the booking form. You can upload it under Settings, General Company Information. Next, pick a page color that matches your brand and choose a background. You can also slightly adjust the size of buttons and corners. The higher is the pixel value, the softer the corners will appear. This helps to make your page look modern and aligned with your brand style. When you are done, click Save. Copy the link and open it in a new tab to preview your online booking form. Below, you can choose which locations will appear on the online booking page. This is helpful if your business operates in multiple locations and only some of them offer online booking. Check the box Allow clients to book multiple services if you'd like your clients to select more than one service in a single booking. In the time interval field, set the duration of each available time slot. After adjusting these settings, click Save. To make sure your booking page functions correctly, check that all employee and service settings are properly configured. Let's start with employees. Each employee must have a work schedule set up. You can do this in My Company Employee Schedule page. If a schedule isn't set, clients won't be able to book that employee online. For example, in my case, only Olivia, Daniel, and Grace will be available for online booking. Next, check your services. Go to My Company Services. Service must have the duration. Also, you can select which employees can perform that service in the online booking section. Go to Settings Public Pages, Online Booking section, and copy the URL of your page. Then you can share this link with clients in different ways. First option, add the link to your social media profiles or messenger accounts. Second option, insert it into your notification templates and save the replies, so you can send it manually or automatically through SMS, email, or chats like Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Third option, you can add a small script to display the booking form directly on your website using an iframe. Now, let's take a look at what your clients see when they open the link. The booking process includes 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a location. The page shows all your available locations with their names, addresses, and current status, open or closed. If there is only one location, the step is automatically skipped. Step 2. Choose a specialist. After selecting a location, the client sees a list of available employees, each with a name, position, and photo. Only team members can be assigned to bookings permission will appear here. Step 3. Select services. Next, the client selects one or more services. Each service title includes the name, short description, duration, and price. If you've enabled multi-service bookings, clients can pick several at once. Step 4. Pick a date and time. Calendar will appear showing available days and time slots. Step 5. Add contact details and confirm. The client fills in their name and phone number, email and comment are optional, agrees to data processing and clicks confirm. That's it, the appointment is booked. The client will see their booking details and can even add the event to their calendar. At the same time, the booking automatically appears in your system with all details, chosen services, specialist, date, and time. From here, you can either use Bookings page only, or if you want to follow the process further, create sales, estimates, and orders directly from Bookings.